Hi everyone. I am going to have a chit chat with you today, and so you can get to know who I am, how I started, and where I'm going. Anyway, I just want to thank my subscribers, and 90% of the people that look at my videos have not subscribed. So if you are one of those, I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe. And also leaving a comment or just ring the bell. All us YouTubers ask, we're begging, we're begging, we're begging. But yeah, that makes our world a lot better. And this YouTube business is very hard for most of us. There's not too many people that throw up a video and it goes viral and they make $1 million. Ah, that's me. So I'm here to encourage you to either start a YouTube channel for fun, see where it goes, and or start a YouTube channel as a business. And this is what I have done. This is a business, and I haven't made any money yet, but I'm working on it. I have an affiliate. I'm an affiliate of Amazon, and that's about where I'm at right now. I hope to put up um, workshops which will be available for sale, and you can do whatever you want with the art. And I also have, on a couple of my videos, I give away a print, a copy of one of my prints that you can color in yourself. And then what else have I got going on? Oh, I've got a giveaway right now. If you go to my website, Susan Hanson Art, and click on the giveaway, and you can enter to win one of my prints. So anyways, stick around, and here's my story. 70 years old, and here I am on YouTube looking at y'all. I wanted to give you a little insight into my world. And, you know, we always like to get to know our YouTube personalities. And I'll tell you how I became a YouTuber at 70. It was last year, and I helped a friend. Their house burned down. And so I put up a GoFundMe, and I needed to have a YouTube channel. And I had an existing YouTube channel, but I hadn't used it. I've been on it since, 2013, I guess. And I had put up a couple of videos here and there, and they were terrible. They were just like really awful. And anyways, it was not my thing for sure. I was afraid of being on camera, that I was too fat, too old, too ugly, you know, all those twos. And anyways, my friend's house burnt down. It was devastating. And I started the GoFundMe. And what happened was I had a huge amount of people that looked at that house on fire. And so being on YouTube at the time, doing this, I kept running across this guy by the name of Sean Cannell, and that's Think Media. And anyways, I started listening to what he had to say about, you know, just press record, start doing it. Don't worry about it. You can have a no face channel. And so I started following some of his advice, and I started a channel. And, you know, my original channel started in 2013. I put up my first video back in 2018. It was a lamp working video of me making a glass bead for a customer. And anyways, they sent me the video. So I had to throw it up on YouTube to be able to view it. So I had one video. And then after that, later in 2019, I put up a couple of paint pour videos that were just really awful.
Snaky thing. It's hard. I'm
I mean,
holding
you
the
guys
camera
could go
with my
back and
hand.
look and laugh. It's like, oh my God.
Bought a stand from
Anyway,
China that
I
wasn't very
did that, And so here we
So,
are to
okay, well, let's just do a little bit over
2023. It was
here.
July, and I started. I thought, what the heck? I like doing art, and I started videoing myself doing art. And I took the course by Sean Cannell. And so when I started getting serious about this, which was last August, that was August of 2023, I had no clue. I just, I didn't know how to edit. I didn't know what programs to get to edit. I didn't know about the lighting. I started using my first videos I did with the iPhone. And I tried to use I have a Canon, a big Canon for taking photographs, but you can also take videos on one of those things, but it wasn't very good and it kept shutting down. So I guess it must have been about November. I broke down and bought a real camera for doing video. And so now what I'm doing today, I've got my iPhone here and my camera up there. So both are going because my microphone died. And so I have to use the microphone that is for a iPhone. It's always something. But I just wanted to let you guys know my journey has not been easy. And due to my age, I have a bit of a memory problem. So when I learn something, if I don't do it every single day, and some of you can relate to this, I can't remember. And it's really upsetting. And I had many, many upsetting times in the last year. The frustrations, not remembering what I was doing or where I put something or where the file is, or, you know, stupid chargers and not charging my microphone, or the iPhone falling on the floor and cracking the screen. I have been through the whole rigmarole, and but I feel like it's giving me life. And I wasn't retired. I can never retire because I don't have retirement. And so I recognize that YouTube is a possible way for me to do my art and have the freedom to do other things as well. So, and possibly down the road, make an income. And here I am. I'm doing it. And after a year, and I did everything that Cannell said to do, but probably missed a few things. But it's working out. I'm finally seeing it's happening. I have 8 more subscribers to go, and I will be, I'll have my 1,000 subscribers. And you have to have 1,000 subscribers and plus 4,000 watch hours to start getting monetized. And you have to have 500 subscribers and 2,000 watch hours to have some of the mini perks. Well, I haven't made it to 2,000 watch hours yet. And I'm just plugging away, but I'm only 9 people away now, as of today, for the 1,000 subscribers. And that is a big, big deal, guys. It's a huge deal. And if you're one of my subscribers that's watching, thank you. I really appreciate it. And stay tuned because I am getting better and better all the time. But it's difficult. It's difficult for this old broad. And if you're older like me and want to start a YouTube channel, just start. Don't don't get caught up in all the stuff. Um, I'll put a link to all the easy peasy things that I found on my journey. I was freaked out about the prices of cameras and equipment, and I have found the easier, softer way. And my camera, which is a Canon EOS, an M50, I bought it used on eBay. You can buy a used camera if you really want to have a camera. It's not bad. And I've gone through all kinds of stuff. I've got two lights here, which I'd always had. These lights that I'm using today are box lights, and I used to use them for lighting my photography for my jewelry because I was a jeweler before I went back to painting, and I make glass beads, and so I would always have to photograph my glass beads. If you are in your 60s and are thinking about doing a YouTube channel, just do it. Just jump in and do it. And the thing is, I'll share this with you. My dad was a really, really smart man, and he ended up getting Alzheimer's. And I really believe he got the Alzheimer's because he wasn't using his brain anymore. And you know, when we're an artist, we use our brains. And what this becoming a YouTube has done, it's forced me to learn, even though I forget half of the stuff. But another drink. You can't just retire and sit your butt in front of the TV. And that's kind of what my dad did. And because, I don't know, I had a wicked stepmother. That's a whole different story. Anyway, he ended up dying of Alzheimer's and he was only 75. And that's tragic. A man who had spent his life, he flew his own planes. He had his own boat, sailing boat, which he would take out. And he got to the point where he couldn't do all those things anymore. And I think it was, you know, just the brain cells weren't working. So this is the good thing about YouTube is you are pushed up against the wall to learn, and you have to learn this stuff. And from the editing, I mean, I have had many, many tears from trying to figure out editing and how to do it, and then forgetting how I did it, and then I did it right. And it's like now I kind of have muscle memory built up, and it's a lot easier. I will tell you, I use CapCut, and you can pay for all those fancy ones, and they will just drive you crazy because if you're a newbie, it's just too much to learn. CapCut is simple, and here I am a year later. Oh, and I have over 300 videos up. So, you know, you can do this. It just takes practice and perseverance and remembering it's a marathon. It is not a sprint. So anyway, I am here and I would love to hear from people. I need comments. Give me a comment or two or three. The other crazy thing is if you put yourself in front of a camera, if you don't have it written down, and most of the time I don't have it written down what I'm going to talk about, and your mind goes blank because you're having to look at yourself in a monitor and you're going, "Ugh," and what was I talking about? That happens all the time, guys. Yeah. So don't do that. Just put a video up, press record, put the video up. And with every video, you will get better. I guarantee it. Just do it. So, okay, this is my ramble for today. And I just wanted to get to know y'all. And I hope you enjoyed my silliness. And I hope to do this like maybe once a month, have a chat. Maybe we just have a chat and see where it goes. But I'm excited. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Yay, subscribers. Thank you. And so now it's watch hours. So watch my videos, please. It all adds up. And And then someday you can go, hey, I remember her when she was really crappy. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for putting up with me. And I'll see you soon.